there, graders. Today our learning target is I can use add 10 addition facts to solve add 9 addition facts. So similar to earlier this week when we used our doubles facts to help us solve the more tricky near doubles facts, the add 10 facts can help us figure out the more tricky add 9 facts. I'll be using our tools like the number rack and stuff to help show you how it works. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the add 10 facts and we'll go from there. So the add 10 facts are any number plus 10, like 1 plus 10 equals 11, 2 plus 10 equals 12, 3 plus 10 equals 13, 4 plus 10 equals 14. You're probably seeing a pattern. Each time I do this, the answer is just 10 and that one we added. It's like the number took the place of the 0, kind of like this. Let me draw it out. So if we had 10 plus 4, so Anton, you need to not have those on the floor. She's gonna eat the plastic. And kill herself. She was ripping it up just then. Thanks. Okay, so 10 plus 4, it's like we took the 4, let me change colors, and grab that 4 and put it where the 0 was. So it's as if the 4 took the place of the 0. All right, let's finish that 10 chart. You can say them ahead as I go along. I'm gonna turbo boost the speed. Here we go. Okay, done. We have all the add 10 facts. I'm going to hop over to the number rack for a moment to show you what the add 10 facts look like over there. So if you were doing, let's do 9 plus 10. Let's start at the bottom. There's your 10. Here's your 9. And the answer is 19. 9 with a 10. Let's do another. How about 10 plus 7? 10 and 7. Hey, come back here. There we go. Is 17. 10 and 7 more. The cool thing about the number rack is you can actually see the 17 in a couple different ways. You might see 10 and then 5, 6, 7. Or you might see it as 10 and 5, 6, 7 more. But either way, it's 17. Reset this. Now let's talk about the add 9 facts. Well, 9 is 1 smaller than 10. It's 1 less than 10. So the answer to each of these would just be 1 less than the add 10 fact. Let's move that over. So 1 plus 9 is an add 9 fact, and the answer is 10. I'm going to put this right next to its matching fact and change the color so it's easier to see. Here you can see that 1 plus 10 is 11, but 1 plus 9 is 10. The answers are just 1 smaller. That keeps being true. If 2 plus 10 is 12, 2 plus 9 is 11, 1 less. You see 3 plus 10 is 13, then 3 plus 9 would be 1 smaller, it would be 12. Keep going along with me, I'll speed up the camera a little bit so I type faster. And as I type them, say the facts to yourself. That will help you practice. Okay, here they all are. And you can see it held true the whole time. If 9 plus 10 was 19, 9 plus 9 was 18. 8 plus 10 was 18, so 8 plus 9 is one smaller, 17. Let's take a look at what that acts like on the number rack. So let's do 9 plus 7 and 10 plus 7. I'll put those equations up above. When we talk about 10 plus 7, which was 17, it'll be in blue. And we'll do 9 plus 7, which equals, we'll figure that out, in green. Okay, so here was 10 plus 7, like we saw before, and that equaled 17, 10 and 7 more. Well, 9 plus 7 would just be one littler. Now this is a little bit tricky to count unless you look at it with the red beads being your 10. So you can check the answer quickly on the number rack after you get rid of that 1 by seeing that as your 10. And after we took away the 1 on the top row, we were left with 4, 5, 6. So the answer here is not question mark, it is 16. Let's clear the board and do another add 9 fact that way. Clear all. I'm going to set up, this time in the green we will have 9 plus, let's do 9 plus 5 equals mystery. And we're going to, oops, we're going to have the add 10 fact to help us. If we did 9 plus 5, the add 10 fact that we need is 10 plus 5. And we'll just find the answer to that as well. Okay, let's build 10 plus 5 first. 10 and 5 more. The answer is, yep, 15. 10 and 5. Let's change that to 15. Okay, now we have the add 9 fact. We're going to get rid of 1 from the 10 to turn it into a 9 and take a look at what we have then. We have a group of 10 here and 4 more. So the answer is 14. 9 plus 5 is 14, which is 1 less than 15 over there. It still works. Now, you might have another strategy for adding your add 9 facts, and that's totally okay. There's actually quite a few strategies out there for adding 9. But today, in this video, we are really focusing on using our add 10 facts to solve our add 9 facts. We'll talk about some of those other strategies in the meeting today. All right, so practice your add 10 and your add 9 facts, and then you're going to show your thinking by doing a Google form today and turning that in. And once you've turned it in, click the Mark as Done button, and you will be finished with your work for today. Just like any other day, you can work on math facts or work on iReady if you have extra math time. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next video.